Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Springfield M1A case. It's designed to hold your Springfield M1A rifle as well as a full-sized pistol. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the pre-cut foam plugs. It can hold your Springfield M1A, a full-sized semi-auto pistol, 6 10-round mags, or 3 20-round mags, 2 pistol magazines, 1 included silica gel canister to help prevent rust, and 1 included waterproof accessory box, along with cutouts for miscellaneous accessories. Be advised, this case will hold any variant of the M1A, but is intended for a full-sized variant. Please refer to our Springfield M1A Scout or SOCOM case if you have a shorter M1A and want a more compact setup. Please note that this case will not fit the Springfield M1A CQB stock. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensure all your gear fits regardless of accessories. For example, to fit a scope, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. This case will accommodate all major optics mounted in either the forward position or above the rear sight. Our engineers have included perforations for a variety of gear, including underbarrel attachments such as bipods. If you do not have a scope or specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear. For underbarrel attachments on the pistol, follow the same steps of connecting the perforations in the foam and removing the plugs. For small items, we've included a waterproof accessory box with a dedicated cutout. We've included 1 reusable hydro-absorbent silica gel canister to help prevent rust. The importance of our specially designed moisture remover cannot be understated, and we encourage you to watch our silica gel video to learn more. For larger items, we've integrated 3 accessory pockets, which will ensure that all your gear is kept organized and in one place. The foam in the base is made of a military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell, so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. The foam in the lid is made out of a combination of polyethylene and a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The case is also airline approved for checked luggage. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes for added security, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude. The case exterior has a light orange peel texture to help guard against scratches. In the back, there are 5 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, 2 of which are one-way so that they cannot be tapped out. The case also features feet so that it can stand upright on its own, and 3 handles. The front handle is wide to allow for grip adjustment if the load is uncentered, and the 2 handles on the side are great for a 2-person lift after a long day at the range. All 3 handles fold down to stay out of the way when not in use. Exterior case ribs help to protect the shell and provide deflection points when the case is being shipped. And lastly, wide-bodied wheels with stainless steel ball bearings will glide over both smooth and rough terrain with ease. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.